Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're about to unveil the secrets of turning bald into bold as we learn how to grow hair on a bald head in Photoshop. Now, I know what you're thinking, can you really turn a smooth scalp into a flowing cascade of hair? The answer is a resounding yes, and I'm going to guide you through every step of this enchanting process. Get ready to witness the power of technology and artistry merging as one. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the art of transformation in this exciting Photoshop journey. Begin by opening the image you want to work on your canvas of creativity. Next, venture into another image that holds the hair you wish to add. Our tool of choice, the lasso tool, your trusty guide to selecting hair. Highlight those locks, and with Ctrl+C, make a magical copy. Return to your canvas and Ctrl+V, behold the merging of realities. Now, let's sculpt the strands. Meet Ctrl+T, your free transform tool. Play with proportions and arrangements, crafting your masterpiece on the scalp. An intriguing twist awaits. Right-click and explore warp. Here, you can mold edges like clay, harmonizing hair and canvas seamlessly. Time for some finesse. Introduce the layer mask. Grab the brush tool, your artistic wand, and delicately refine the edges. Picture yourself as a digital sculptor chiseling perfection. Behold the finale. The once empty scalp now glimmers with the magic of hair. It's not just a transformation, it's a creation that defies expectations. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more learning adventures, and share this knowledge with fellow enthusiasts. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep embracing the magic within.